Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to do an ear tip fit test for your AirPods. Now before we get started, it's important to note that as of recording this video, this test is only available for AirPods with silicone ear tips, which is AirPods Pro 1 and AirPods Pro 2. However, this may change in the future, so keep an eye out. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is put the AirPods inside of your ears. Make sure they're connected to your iPhone. Once you've done that, open the Settings application. Then, click on your AirPods at the very top of the Settings menu. If you don't see that, go to the Bluetooth settings instead and select the little eye information icon next to your connected AirPods. This will take you to the AirPods Pro settings. From here, scroll all the way down near the bottom, and you should see the Ear Tip Fit Test option. Click into that. Here, it's going to give you some information about the ear tip fit test. Read through this quickly, and when you're ready, click on Continue. Now it's going to give you some more info about what's about to happen. Make sure your AirPods are placed comfortably inside of your ears and that you're in a quiet environment. Then, click on the play button. It's going to play a tune inside of your ears and test for any sound leakage. Let's do that. Music/sound of the test. Now, as you can see, the test is finished. In this example, it's telling me to adjust or try a different ear tip. This usually happens when you haven't got a good seal. So, I recommend changing the size of the ear tip on your AirPods and trying it again. If you want to learn how to change the ear tips on your AirPods, I'll leave that video linked in the description below. Okay, now we've done the test again and it's saying that we have a good seal in both ears. This means we no longer have any sound leakage and the AirPods fit comfortably inside of my ears. So I'm going to click Done in the top right-hand corner, and we can go ahead and start using our AirPods just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips.